The honey badger. Ferocious, relentless, extremely thick-skinned. Perfect for the position of social media manager of the Johannesburg Zoo.
Yes, this is really happening, and it is adorably awesome. Hey, I'm Jillian on Buzz60.
Meet BG, the world's first live tweeting badger.
BG lives in an enclosure with 6 infrared motion sensors. As the honey badger goes about his day, the sensors pick up on where he is and sends his tweets in real time. So if BG is close to his porcupine neighbors, his account automatically tweets something like, "Every time I try to say hi to the porcupine family next door, their quills leap to attention. Tough crowd." Or if he's just frolicking around, "I'm the king of the jungle, Jim." He posts selfies, makes up clever hashtags like nom nomnivore, and tweets fun facts about other animals at the zoo. Sometimes he even comments on what his human onlookers are saying about him. "My enclosure does not smell, people. That is ode to badger, I'll have you know. Hashtag hurt feelings." Yeah, be nice. He's a tweeting badger. But 60, now you know, pass it on.